Good morning, students. Let us begin a new topic in English language. This is simple past tense. There are several past tenses in the English language. In this lesson, you will learn about the rules of simple past tense and practice making sentences using this tense. Simple past tense. What was your favorite childhood trip? Think about it and how you would describe it to someone else. In order to do that, you need to use past tense. Specifically, you need simple past. Simple past tense is what you use when you are talking about something that has been completed. How long the action or activity lasted doesn't matter for simple past as long as it is no longer happening. For example, you could use simple past to talk about how you walked to school every day because walked is simple past tense, or how one time you went to the movies because went is also simple past. Now, uses simple past tense is used for both recent and distant past actions. Remember, it is that the activity you are talking about has been completed and is not still going on. If you are describing when something happened, you will use simple past. In other words, if you see certain past time expressions such as yesterday or last year, you know to use simple past. For example, the sentence yesterday I walked to school uses simple past. You can also use simple past if you are describing how often you used to do something. In this type of sentence, you will see words like often or sometimes, and it is the context as well as the verb itself that will let you know the sentence is in simple past. For example, look at the following sentence. As a child, I sometimes walked to school. The phrase as a child helps let you know that the action took place in the past, as does the verb walked. Now, rules. We have rules about how to change the tense of a verb. There are two types of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs, and this helps us figure out how to change a verb to past tense. Regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are verbs that follow a set pattern when you change their tense. If you want to change a regular verb to simple past tense, all you have to do is add ed onto the end of the verb. For example, walk is the present tense and becomes walked, which is the simple past tense form of walk, and wait is the present tense and becomes waited, which is the simple past tense form of wait. Now, not all verbs fit this pattern. Irregular verbs have different past tense forms. Since they don't follow any pattern, you have to learn and memorize them. Some examples of irregular verbs include over here. For example, bring. Bring is the present simple and its simple past is brought, and brought is also the third form. So these are irregular verbs. In positive sentences or in affirmative sentences with all kinds of subjects, either singular or plural, only second form of the main verb will be used over here. In negative sentences with all kinds of subjects, either singular or plural, only did not will be used and then first form of the main verb. In interrogative sentences, did will come in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, and after that first form of the main verb, and finally question mark. I am reciting some of the examples. Example number 1 for affirmative. I wrote a letter. Very simple sentence. Second, I didn't write a letter. This is negative one. And interrogative, did I write a letter? So you can say that these are the examples of simple past tense. After that, you will practice and exercise for better rehearsal. Thank you, students.